Hello everyone, let's create our D club slide. I've already gotten my plain paper and I draw my straight line. Now we're going to take a measurement of 3 centimeters and draw our first circle. We'll be needing 2 circles for this pattern. So after the first one, you place your compass on the tip of the first circle. Just follow the line and this is what we got. Now what we're going to do next is to use our ruler and make a mark on where the 2 circles meet. Okay, so we'll be needing to adjust our letters, the C and D. So after this, I will measure 0.4 centimeters from that point inward, like so. Then from here I'll use my ruler and connect the 2 dots. Okay, this is what we got. So now I'll use my ruler to make measurements of 0.9 centimeter upwards and 0.6 centimeter downwards, just as you can see. So now this, I will connect this line to the big circle. Okay, so closely looking at it, this is what we got. So the up one here, this one is 0.06 and this one is 0.9. so we'll just connect it this way, creating the base for our D. So now we have done that. All we are going to do now is the end slit, that's the inner opening in our D. That's what we're going to create using 1.5 centimeter as a guide. So this is what we got. Our D is ready. Okay, so now we will create our C from this other end. Okay, so now I'll take a measurement of 0.6 centimeter, shifting it inward before my C so that it doesn't curve much. Okay, so after that I draw a straight line like so. This is where our C will start from. Okay, so I'll take a measurement up here and down here. The up one is 0.6 while the down is 0.2. so I'll connect it as before and this is what I got. So the inside is just the same as the D. So now I've cut everything out and this is what we have, our C and D. Now we're going to transfer these letters to our main pattern. Okay, we still need this anyway, but the shape needs to go to the main pattern, that's the main verb. So using the line I made earlier on this thing, we are going to use it as a guide to draw it so that we get everything in place. Okay, so this line is the same with this while drawing, so I use this to do the C too. So before the drawing, I take a measurement of 0.4, draw a straight line and place my C, the tip of my C on this line. Okay, so like this, and trace it. Okay, so now we have our C and D. So now we'll be adding kind of sewing allowance here. 0.2 or 3 is okay. All right, so now this is what I just added just for the sewing, nothing much. Then up here we'll be adding 0.5 and down 2. So after this is what I did and connect it. Now here the longest strap here and down here will be placing our tape on the line and measure 0.3 centimeter up and down. So this is what we got. I connected the curve and the pattern is ready. So all we are going to do now is to trace them all out and we have this. Now the C and D, we're still going to use it. So I've cut my pattern, my leader, sorry, with my pattern. So this is the main pattern and these are the letters, the C and D. So if you are using a firm leader, you don't need to add anything under it, but because my letters are thin, I added Everfoam to it so that I'll have this 3D kind of feeling on it. So I apply my adhesive and fix them. So now after this, I'll just place them on the main pattern, making sure that everything aligns properly. Then I'll go ahead and sew them into place. Okay, so now this is what I've got. I've sewn my D and my C, then align it and sew everything together. So after this is just to attach it to your outer sew. So here I have done mine. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I post a new video. Bye.